TJ, welcome to Luminary. It's so great to have N47 as our lead investor in our new Series B at Luminary Cloud. You guys are known as a product-first enterprise investor. Having you on the board and being part of this journey with your advice and your leadership is fantastic.
Thanks, Pete. Couldn't be more excited to be here and be a part of the Luminary Cloud growth story. We've known each other for many years, and I've seen your leadership in the past and how it generates success for companies. And that plus the incredible technology team product here at Luminary Cloud is just awfully exciting.
Well, simply, AI is changing the world and where we live quite profoundly. If we think about the way that LLMs and generative AI, when they're doing things like generating text and images and videos, have changed the way that we work in our kind of knowledge economy, we haven't quite cracked that yet in the physical world that we live in. So all the products around us, like cars and airplanes and buildings and those types of things, there's a huge opportunity there. At Luminary Cloud, what we're doing is we're building physics AI models that embed physics intelligence into the process of building these types of products. Everywhere from the design to the engineering to the manufacturing, and even down to embedding these physics models into the products themselves. The net result is that we'll have cars that run longer on their batteries. We'll have airplanes that are cleaner. We'll have better buildings that are stronger and more resilient to things like earthquakes. The ability to embed this knowledge into the process is going to allow us to bring products to market way faster than ever before and build products that we can't even imagine today, to be honest. The impact that physics AI is going to have on the world is truly profound. So TJ, tell me, why were you interested in investing in Luminary?
Well, we share your belief that physics AI is the next great application of AI, and that it's going to have profound impacts on the way that great products are designed and brought to market. We also know that the core obstacle to date is lack of data that can be used to train these physics AI models, and that by being a pioneer in the domain of physics AI, Luminary Cloud is best positioned to deliver these impactful models to real-world customer use cases and to change how the built world is experienced.
Absolutely. That's why it's such an incredible time for you to join us. We're truly pioneering physics AI and developing these models that can instantly predict the physical performance of products. We have developed the world's first physics AI model factory, which is the fastest and easiest way for engineering companies to build their own physics AI models. And we're also delivering a family of models called Shift. So companies in automotive, aerospace, and other industries can get a fast start by using those models just to kind of get kicked off. All of this follows a series of big features that have been developed, things like a MCP server that's been built into the product. So if you're in your own IDE, you can use Luminary kind of remotely and automate the work via your IDE. We've got a Python notebook in the platform. If you don't know how to write Python, you can use our AI Copilot to write the code for you. All of these things make this the obvious choice to build your physics AI models. Finally, our partnership with NVIDIA has been great as well. We've been working with them on the Physics Nemo model framework, which is an open source framework to develop these physics AI models, and those are the types of models that we deliver on our platform. It's been great to have them participate in this investment round as well.
You know, Pete, we see Luminary as delivering the future of engineering design and allowing teams to move from being siloed, separate, and slow to integrated between design and engineering, improving on new product designs in a matter of seconds as opposed to weeks.
Yeah, let me give you a real world example of how that works. One of our customers is an airplane manufacturing company. And they were working in 3-month design cycles where a designer comes up with the design, hands it over to an engineer to validate that design, and that whole process takes 3 months of time. So what that means is they had one shot to get the design right in a 3-month period. They wanted to dramatically reduce that time. So they came to us, we worked with them to build a model of that area of the airplane, which allowed the designers to generate thousands of potential solutions in a certain design space and come up with an optimal design. This is truly transforming the way that companies build products and how companies collaborate between those different people within their organizations. And back to N47 and the fact that you're all a product-led investor, right? We see ourselves as a product company. We see ourselves as the company that is delivering the product for you to build these physics AI models on top of. And these physics AI models can integrate into any of the tools that you have in your engineering lifecycle, whether it's Onshape or Blender or NVIDIA Omniverse. We get these models out into the workflows that our customers are using.
Pete, we haven't seen anything that rivals Luminary Cloud's physics AI platform to build and deploy models. The impact you're driving at customers today is incredible, and the future is really limitless.
We certainly think so. We are really motivated to take this transformative technology and help companies, engineering companies, truly be more competitive in this AI era. And it couldn't be better to do it with you as a partner. So excited to have you on the team.
Great to be here. Thanks, Pete.
Thanks for coming by.